In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new issue in Jira using the global create button. If you've ever needed to quickly log a bug, add a task, or capture a feature request, but couldn't immediately find the right place to do it, this process will make things much easier. Jira has a simple built-in shortcut for creating issues from almost anywhere in the platform. And once you know where it is, adding new work to your backlog becomes much faster and more consistent. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Jira site, or sign in through the official Atlassian login page if needed. After you've logged in, wait for the main dashboard or home screen to fully load. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar across the page. This global menu is where the issue creation shortcut lives, and it's designed to help you create tickets without digging through project menus. Next, move your cursor to the Create button near the top of the screen and click it once. As soon as you do, Jira will open a pop-up issue creation window. This is where you'll enter all the important details for the new item you want to track. Inside that window, start by choosing the correct project from the project dropdown. This is important because it determines where the issue will live. Right below that, select the appropriate option from the issue type dropdown. Depending on what you're reporting, this might be a task, a story, or a bug. Choosing the right issue type helps your team sort and manage work more effectively. After that, click into the summary field. This is the title of your issue, so keep it short, clear, and specific. A strong summary makes the ticket easier to scan later in boards and backlogs. Try to make it descriptive without being too long. Once the summary is in place, scroll down to the description field and add the details your team needs. This is where you can explain the scope, provide context, or describe the problem clearly. Then continue filling in any relevant supporting fields such as priority, sprint, or fixed versions, and assignee, depending on how your team organizes work. Before submitting anything, take a final moment to review the form. Make sure the project, issue type, summary, and any required fields are correct. This quick check helps prevent mistakes and keeps your backlog clean. When everything looks good, go to the bottom right corner of the window and click Create. Jira will save the issue and add it to the appropriate project so your team can start tracking it right away. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.